we're going more plastic, whereas the States is still more steel, but I think they're starting to lean more towards plastic. We're known as the plastics experts up in Canada. So we sell a lot of the DEB4s, which is a reamer. We sell a lot of tubing cutters, internal pipe cutters, anything to do with plastic, power bevelers, so anything to bevel it and to cut it, those are the ones we focus on a lot. We pride ourselves on the quality, the warranty. Us as sales guys carry kits to fix these things, so we can do a 2-day turnaround, really. It's basically driving there, fixing the tool, giving it back, and everyone just, that's amazing. They make it easy to sell because there's a lot of unique tools that no other company has, which is great for us because we can say, hey, we're gonna sell you this because no one else has this. It's just an easy transition to talk to someone and say, look, watch what this tool can do.